how to drop items in Minecraft in your PC. So what you guys want to make sure is that you guys have an item in your hand. Or if you guys don't have an item in your hand, what you guys can do is drag an item and put it to your toolbar. And if you guys have your default keybinds, what you guys want to do is press Q, and it's gonna drop one singular item from your toolbar. If you guys want to throw out everything from your toolbar, what you guys want to do is press E and then go to this chest looking menu. Right here is going to show everything you have. What you guys want to do is click on the item and then drag it outside and then click it again. Right here, I have dropped all the wood that I had in my inventory. And to pick it up, what you guys want to do is just go near it. So that was how you guys could drop items in Minecraft. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.